Welcome to English Learn with Zohan. Time 5 seconds for each question. Good luck. Subscribe now and never stop learning. Learn smart. Are you ready? Let's begin. Question 1. She got quiet tea yesterday morning. Correct answer is option C. Question 2. I begun my homework already. Correct answer is option B. Question 3. They to Karachi last week. Correct answer is option B. Question 4. He asked to the market yesterday. Correct answer is option B. Question 5. They were out playing cricket in the ground. Correct answer is option B. Question 6. She not like fast food. Correct answer is option B. Question 7. We Dambas in Lahore last year. Correct answer is option C. Question 8. The baby sleeping now. Correct answer is option A. Question 9. I lost my pen yesterday. Correct answer is option B. Question 10. She dacked her a letter last night. Correct answer is option B. Question 11. I'd never been to Kedah. Correct answer is option B. Question 12. We toss breakfast at 7 a.m. every day. Correct answer is option A. Question 13. He got very tired after work yesterday. Correct answer is option C. Question 14. The sun now in the east. Correct answer is option B. Question 15. They go to school by bus every day. Correct answer is option A. Question 16. I gar English every evening. Correct answer is option A. Question 17. She got quiet tea yesterday morning. Correct answer is option C. Question 18. Hey, you're not come to the party. Correct answer is option C. Question 19. We waiting for the bus right now. Correct answer is option B. Question 20. The boys see football yesterday. Correct answer is option C. Question 21. She already finished her homework. Correct answer is option A. Question 22. They are reading a book now. Correct answer is option B. Question 23. Have I not seen him for 2 weeks? Correct answer is option B. Question 24. The cat meows under the bed yesterday. Correct answer is option B. Question 25. I show my homework before dinner. Correct answer is option B. Question 26. She locked her bag yesterday. Correct answer is option B. Question 27. They watch cricket in the evening. Correct answer is option A. Question 28. He belongs to school last Monday. Correct answer is option C. Question 29. We all never seen that movie. Correct answer is option B. Question 30. I dub it all tea every morning. Correct answer is option A. Question 31. She, not come yesterday. Correct answer is option C. Question 32. The teacher dog are teaching now. Correct answer is option A. Question 33. They are caught in Karachi last year. Correct answer is option C. Question 34. The baby crying loudly. Correct answer is option A. Question 35. He buys a new car last week. Correct answer is option B. Question 36. We was waiting for the bus. Correct answer is option B. Question 37. She, her homework already. Correct answer is option A. Question 38. They caught football when I saw them. Correct answer is option B. Question 39. The sun were bright today. Correct answer is option B. Question 40. I not seen him for a week. Correct answer is option B. Question 41. She backed her a letter last night. Correct answer is option B. Question 42. They was happy yesterday. Correct answer is option D. Question 43. He taught tea yesterday morning. Correct answer is option C. Question 44. We swear to the zoo last Sunday. Correct answer is option B. Question 45. She singing beautifully now. Correct answer is option A. Question 46. They, Diaz, never visited London. Correct answer is option B. Question 47. He does say us very tired yesterday. Correct answer is option C. Question 48. The children dodged playing outside. Correct answer is option B. Question 49. I lost my keys yesterday. Correct answer is option B. Question 50. She home to school every day. Correct answer is option B.